Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Academic Fundamentals. So in the series of database videos we have discussed so many topics, and from DDL commands we have discussed about create. Okay, we have completed with create command and we have completed with alt command. Right now next command is drop. Okay, so today I am going to explain you what is drop command and truncate command. Okay, now drop drop means to delete, correct? So whenever you want to delete a table, correct, so you will use what? Drop command. Okay, for example, I have student table, and in student table I have say two attributes, roll number and name, and I have, let's say, two records, 1 and 2. Okay, now if I want to delete this student table, I will use drop command. Okay, syntax for drop is drop table name. So to delete student table, I will write here drop student. Okay, so after execution of drop command, your student table will get deleted. Okay, so your database is not having student table now. Okay, now after this, if you execute and if you want to view the details of student table, if you execute select command, select star from student, so you will get student table does not exist. Okay, so everything related to student table, values, structure, everything is deleted, correct? So it is you can say it is like permanent delete, shift delete. Okay, so your student table is deleted now. Now what is truncate? Truncate is used to delete all the values from your table. Okay, so to delete all the values we use truncate command. Truncate table name is student. Okay, so after this your data records 1 and 2, both the records will get deleted. Okay, and the student structure of the table will be as it is. Okay, so after execution of truncate, if you execute the select statement, then you will get the structure without any records. Records will not be there, but the structure will be there. So if you want to add more records, you can add it. Okay, your table is there in the database, but there are no values. Okay, after drop command, your table is permanently deleted from the database. Understood the difference between drop and truncate? Okay, now there is a question, if I want to delete a particular record. Okay, because using drop I am deleting the whole table, using truncate I am deleting all the values from the table. Now if I want to delete a particular record, then how to delete that? So you can delete particular records from your table with the help of delete command. Okay, and we know that delete command comes under DML, data manipulation language. Okay, so we will have separate video for delete command also. Okay, so this is about drop and truncate. You can use drop command to delete the table permanently from the database, and you can use truncate command to delete the values from the table, and the structure of the table will be as it is. Understood? Okay, like the video, share it with your friends, and share your feedbacks in comments. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.